Hey guys, it's Ting. How are you all doing? I feel like it's been a long time since I've actually made a video. Yeah, it's been a while since we've all caught up, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to have a chat and catch up with you guys, talk through what's in the January Lengbox, how to use the products, and have a little check-in. Okay, and here it is. So the first product that I'm going to show you guys is this Medi Heal warming eye mask. So if you've not tried it before, it's super relaxing, it heats up. So this is what it looks like. So this one is unscented, and I love wearing this just before bed because it sends me straight to sleep. How I would describe this mask is, it kind of feels like how your body feels when you've just stepped into a nice hot bath, but for your eyes. And next up we have the Benton Trio Kit. So here are the 4 different products, and it's the green tea edition. First up we have the green tea cleansing foam. You can use this twice a day. To use it, all you need to do is mix it with a little bit of water, create a nice little lather, and then massage it all over your face, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Next up we have the Benton green tea toner. So you'd use this just after cleansing. You can use this twice a day as well. You can either apply it to your hands and then just pat it all over your face, or you can apply it to a cotton pad. And next up we have the green tea serum. As you can see, it's a really nice thick consistency, which I really love for serums. I like to apply my serums just before my moisturisers, and this one I'd use twice a day, day and night. And next up we have the green tea lotion. So this one you also use twice a day, and I would use this just after the serum. Next up we have a soothing aloe vera gel, and it's 90% aloe vera. So because of its consistency, I like to use this as a moisturizer, but also as a primer. It's really great for mattifying and moisturizing your skin. And you can use this on your face, your neck, your legs, your hands, all over your body. Next up we have a essence, and this is the rose essence from Secret Key. It also contains galactomyces. This rose essence has a great balancing and moisturizing effect, and because it contains galactomyces, it's also anti-aging. Essence can be used twice a day, and it's used after your toner but before your moisturizer. So all you do is apply a little bit to your hands or to a cotton pad and just gently dab it all over your face. Next up we have a hair mask, and I've been using this like no tomorrow. It's really great because my hair is feeling really dry and a bit damaged, and it just needs a little bit of TLC. So this one is a hair wrap that you leave on for about 15-20 minutes. I usually use it when I'm in the bath. All you do is shampoo your hair and then wash that all out, dry it slightly, leave it a little bit damp, and then wrap this hair mask just as you would a towel and leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off. And last but not least, your Lengbox wouldn't be complete without some sheet masks. Here we have 3 different sheet masks, all from Leaders. This one is the collagen mask, this one is the aqua ringer mask, and this one is the wrinkle tox mask. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the Leaders sheet mask, simply because the essence in there is always so silky and so thick, and the sheet mask itself is super soft, and I feel like it really wraps around your face, unlike some other sheet masks out there. So yeah, that's it guys. It's available on the website. There is limited quantity available, so it's first come first serve. If you have any questions, feel free to message me privately, or also leave a comment in the comment section below. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.